While most people are sitting on the sidelines watching AI revolutionize everything, convinced they're too late to the party, regular folks are quietly building profitable side hustles using AI tools that didn't even exist a few years ago. And here's what blew my mind. According to McKinsey, AI could contribute up to $13 trillion to global economic output by 2030. But here's the catch most people miss. You don't need to build AI, you just need to use it. So while everyone's debating whether AI will take their jobs, some people are using AI to create new income streams. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 specific AI side hustles that are perfect for beginners. And stick with me till the end and I'll show you how to get your first customers. This is the same method I used when I started a few years ago. Now, this isn't quit your job tomorrow money. I would never promise you that. But these are legitimate side hustles for those willing to work hard and learn new skills. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI side hustle matches your skills and how you can get started. So let's start with something that might sound creative, but is actually pretty systematic once you get the hang of it. I'm talking about generating social media content. Now, here's what I've noticed when working with small business owners. Most small businesses know they need to post on social media consistently, but they struggle to create regular content. Business owners would rather focus on running their business than brainstorming Instagram captions and Facebook posts all day. So this creates an opportunity because you can use AI to create a month's worth of social media content in half the time it used to take these larger marketing agencies. So what exactly are we talking about here? Well, you're creating social media posts, captions, hashtags, and content calendars for businesses using AI tools. This includes Instagram posts, Facebook content, and LinkedIn updates. The AI handles the heavy lifting like content ideation, caption writing, hashtag research, and scheduling optimization. You focus on the strategy and client relationships. Now, when I started my digital marketing agency back in 2017, I used to charge between $300 to $500 for these same social media services. And it would take me hours to research, write, and create everything manually. But here's the crazy part. With AI tools that are available today, you can offer the exact same services in half the time. Now, why is there such a need for this? Well, most businesses use social media marketing, but many of them are doing it poorly or inconsistently. Hiring a dedicated social media manager can be expensive and out of the budget for most small businesses. Business owners simply don't have the time or creativity for daily content creation. And with algorithm changes happening constantly, most can't keep up. So here's how I recommend you get started. First, master AI content creation tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, or Copy.ai. These are all great tools. Then learn social media best practices for different platforms and industries. Create content templates and workflows so you can pump out content more efficiently. Then I recommend you build a portfolio showing before and after social media transformations. Find local businesses with inconsistent or poor social media presence and offer them a free content audit plus sample posts to demonstrate your value. So what skills do you need to do this? Well, basic understanding of social media platforms and what content performs well for different business types. You need to maintain brand voice and personality across posts, and having some basic graphic design skills wouldn't hurt. But you don't need any advanced marketing degree to get started. You can learn everything through online resources and lots of practice. And if social media sounds a little bit too creative for you, what if I told you local businesses need something even simpler that you can build once and sell repeatedly? I'm talking about selling AI chatbots to local business owners. And here's something most people don't realize. Local businesses are losing customers every single day because they can't answer phones during busy periods for something that takes just a few hours to set up. You're building AI chatbots for local businesses using no-code tools. These chatbots handle customer inquiries, appointment bookings, order taking, and FAQ responses. Think restaurants, salons, medical offices, and pretty much any service-based business. So why is there such a need? Well, many consumers actually prefer messaging over phone calls for customer service. Small businesses lose customers when phones go unanswered, and staff time is expensive, while chatbots work around the clock for very little ongoing cost. Most local businesses have no idea this technology exists or how to implement it. So here's how you can get started. I recommend you use a tool like GoHighLevel that has a built-in AI feature called Missed Call Text Back. This automatically responds to missed calls. Then the AI can do everything from answering questions to booking appointments and even making sales. This presents an opportunity because statistics show that over 40% of small businesses miss calls each month. Think about how much revenue they're losing just from unanswered phone calls. And if you want to try out GoHighLevel, I'll put a link below to an extended 30-day free trial. This also comes with a 5-day AI challenge to help you get started and set up this business model. Now, to do this, you need basic understanding of customer service flow, ability to think through common business questions and responses. Of course, you need sales skills for approaching local business owners and problem-solving mindset to customize solutions. Although there is no coding required, you might have to retrain the bot from time to time. Now, if the tech side still feels a little bit intimidating, this next one uses AI to enhance a skill you probably already have. I'm talking about freelance writing using AI. AI has completely transformed freelance writing by handling the time-consuming research and first draft creation. This allows writers to significantly increase their output without sacrificing quality. What used to take hours now takes much less time, turning a modest hourly rate into something much more attractive. The demand for content is growing, and AI-assisted writers are perfectly positioned to capture this market. You're using AI tools to accelerate content creation while maintaining human quality and voice. This means writing blog posts, web copy, email campaigns, and marketing material for businesses. The AI handles research, outlines, and first drafts, while you add strategy, personality, and the final polish. Now, I'll use one of my own examples as a guide for setting rates. My freelancer charged me $150 per email, so he would write all the copy for my emails. But if I bought, say, 5 to 10 emails at a time, then he would only charge me $125 per email. That gives you a real-world example of what businesses are willing to pay for quality content. And every business needs content marketing but lacks time and writing skills. Traditional content marketing agencies can be expensive for small businesses. AI-assisted writers can offer competitive pricing while maintaining quality. Plus, demand has grown as more businesses have started to move online and realize they need consistent content. Now, to get started, I recommend you master AI prompting for research. This will save you a lot of time. Also, learn how to outline and learn about draft creation. And then make sure you develop a nice, efficient workflow. AI research, then AI outline, then AI first draft, then human editing. And choose 2 to 3 niches that work well, like real estate, fitness, and B2B SaaS are great options. And then create a portfolio with samples using your AI-assisted process. Then apply to content agencies. Then you can reach out to small businesses and show them your work. Now, obviously, you need a solid grasp of grammar and writing fundamentals. Plus, understanding of basic marketing and SEO principles is a big help. But if writing isn't your strength, what if you could build entire professional websites without knowing a single line of code? Here's something that may surprise you. Many small businesses still do not have professional websites. I know it's crazy, but it's true. And AI website builders now allow anyone to create professional sites in just a few hours that would traditionally cost thousands and take weeks to complete. This creates an opportunity to serve local businesses at competitive prices while delivering faster results. You're using AI website builders to create professional websites for local businesses. These platforms automatically generate layouts, copy, and images based on business information you provide. Focus on small businesses like contractors, restaurants, professionals, and other service providers. A significant portion of small businesses still have inadequate or no websites. Traditional web development can be expensive and very time consuming. Most small business owners lack technical skills, but know they need an online presence. The shift to online research for local services has created a big demand. Now here's how you can get started. Remember that tool I talked about when creating chatbots, GoHighLevel? Well, guess what? They also have an AI website builder. And they even have pre-built templates for just about every industry, from tech to coaching, health, service-based businesses, and more. To put this in perspective, I've paid for several websites over the years, with the most expensive being around $10,000, and I waited months and months for the finished project. Now I can pay someone between $300 and $500 to create me a website in a few hours. That's the power of AI website builders. Now, to do this, you need a basic understanding of website structure and user experience, familiarity with domains, hosting, and website basics, plus having some sales skills would help, and some project management skills to help handle multiple client websites. But no coding required, as AI handles all the technical aspects. Now, if you want something even more specific that people need but hate doing themselves, this next side hustle is for you. Most people haven't updated their resumes in years and have no clue about current applicant tracking systems that filter out many applications before human eyes even see them. AI can analyze job descriptions, optimize keywords, and create compelling content in minutes. People will pay well for this service because it directly impacts their ability to get interviews and land better jobs. Resume writing services typically charge between $100 to $500, and in some cases even more for executive resumes, depending on the level of customization and expertise provided. You're using AI to create professionally written, ATS-optimized resumes and cover letters. The AI analyzes job descriptions, identifies keywords, and creates tailored content. Your services include resume writing, LinkedIn profile optimization, and even cover letter creation. Most resumes never reach human reviewers due to filtering systems. Most people haven't updated resumes in years and don't understand current best practices. Job seekers will pay a premium for professional help that increases interview rates. AI can effectively match resume content to job requirements in ways that can be challenging to do manually. Now, to get started, I recommend you master AI prompts for resume analysis, keyword optimization, and content creation. Also, learn current ATS requirements and best practices, and then create template workflows for different career levels and industries. Build a portfolio with before and after examples, with permission, of course, and then you could market through LinkedIn and job seeker Facebook groups. Now, the skills needed to do this include understanding of professional communication and workplace norms, knowledge of hiring processes and what employees are looking for, also a basic grasp of different industries and job functions, and client interviewing skills to extract relevant experience, and of course, editing skills to polish the AI-generated content. Now, I know you're excited and you want to get started, but these side hustles are worthless if you can't find customers. The good news is that local businesses need these services. They just don't know these solutions exist. This is probably the hardest part in getting these businesses started and profitable. So make sure you're patient and consistent. You might get 10 no's before you get a yes. I'd start by identifying 10 to 20 local businesses in your area that clearly need help. Look for restaurants with no online presence, service businesses with terrible websites, or companies that never post on social media. And don't just send cold emails, that rarely works. And create specific examples showing how you can help them. If you're doing social media content, create a week's worth of sample posts for their business. If you're building websites, create a mock-up of what their site would look like. If you're doing chatbots, show them exactly how it would work for their type of business. Then, this is the key. Reach out with your sample work and offer them a free 30-day trial. You want to show them proof of concept. Once they see the value in what you do, they're sure to keep you on month after month after month. And if you guys want to dive deeper into one of my favorite AI side hustles, check out this video up here. I do a full tutorial on how to sell AI to local businesses. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.